Okay guys, when you dance, it's very important to create the most beautiful moment what you can. So this is a very good exercise for you. Try to place your feet like this, net like big toe with the big toe, or if girls have this kind of net here, we call it net to net, this kind of position. So instead of here, the next level up will be here, so this kind of position. So where the legs completely close. From here we have to learn how to create steps from up and over. So we can slide into step, so we can slide straight the leg and slide into step, or we can go from the top, up and over. And up and over will have a little bit more actions. So from here, net to net, you're going time step. Activate your tummy first, here. The tummy like somebody poke you inside your stomach on the right hand side this. So tummy in, that's activate hip with your hip circle. That will straighten your knee, and this will put you up on two ball of the foot. When that knee is straight, you're gonna pivot your foot and readjust the other foot to close here. So let's try it again. And from here, start always action from your stomach into the hip, into the leg. And 2.
Yay, the first
and
one!
3.